Bing may replace the answer display with Bing Chat, and Google's John Meuller shares some tips on how to simplify website structure. Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko. Make sure you like and subscribe before you forget. Now, let's talk about those stories on this Monday edition of This Week in SEO News, brought to you by PosiRank.com. Bing may replace the traditional answer display at the top of search results with Bing Chat Response. Bing Chat has recently passed 100 million daily active users, and Mikhail Perekin, who leads up Bing Search and Bing Chat, said on Twitter that Bing will replace the current answers, which he claims uses old technology and crowdsourcing, with Bing Chat Response as soon as possible. The new user interface for the new answer provided by Bing Search is expected to integrate Bing Chat, which may impact click-through rates and traffic to websites because it's just grabbing information and showing it to the user rather than directing them to the site. And while this replacement aims to improve Bing Search, according to Perekin, the interactions are a bit tricky and bugs keep creeping up at the moment. However, with over 100 million daily active users, 45 million daily chats, and 1/3 of daily preview users using Bing Chat daily, as well as 1/3 of preview users are also brand new to Bing, it doesn't seem to be slowing down any bit. So they better fix those bugs quick. And Google search advocate John Meuller has shared his tips on how to simplify website structure without negatively impacting SEO. Meuller advises against retiring subdirectories and shifting everything over to a new subdirectory, noting that it's a lot of work with nothing to gain. Instead, he suggests moving backslash into a /US folder to allow for a more precise separation of parts. This way, backslash is all US, /FR backslash is all French, and so on, making it easier for search engines to understand the sections, and setting the root homepage as the X default to avoid confusion among search engines, particularly when doing geo-IP directs. So my SEOs, what do you think about the potential impact of Bing Chat on search results and website traffic? Is it something that publishers, content creators, and marketers, as well as SEOs, should be worried about? And what do you think about John Mueller's advice? Do you think it's helpful, or are you just going to continue to ignore it and do what you want to do? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, my SEOs, that's all the news I have for you today. My name is Kiko. Thank you for watching, and I will see you Wednesday.